बाद आपके साथ 45 डेज का क्या होता है, बेस्ड ऑन योर कर्मा, चॉइसेस, जो भी आपने किया है अपनी असल जीवित जिंदगी में। इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी जो आपको अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ जानना चाहिए। डोंट यू थिंक ये यंगस्टर्स को इंस्पायर करेगी, उन्हें भी ये चीज जानना चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? बिकॉज आज की जो जनरेशन है काफी इन चीजों से दूर है, तो आई एम श्योर दिस विल बी अ रियली ट्रीट फॉर द फैमिली। सो इसी ओकेजन को इसी ओकेजन को और भी स्पेशल बनाने के लिए हमारे यहाँ काफी स्पेशल लोग मौजूद हैं। अगर ये नहीं होते तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता। तो हम इस फिल्म के पिलर्स को इनवाइट करना चाहेंगे। तो सबसे पहले put your hands together for the producer of the film who truly believed in this vision and brought it to life. एक नेशनल अवार्ड विनर जिन्होंने हमेशा स्ट्रॉन्ग और मीनिंगफुल सिनेमा को सराहा है और उसे सपोर्ट किया है। तो प्लीज जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करिए आर रमेश रेड्डी सर, द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ फिल्म 45।
आपका कन्नड़ बात कर दिया तो मेरे आदमी को जरूर धन्यवाद। कितना आदमी आएगा, थैंक यू। मैं कन्नड़ में बात कर दिया, ट्रांसलेट करना कौन करना आदमी आ रहा को अच्छा नहीं
सर, क्योंकि ये फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट, तो लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर। ये ज्यादातर लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, फीलिंग्स पहुंचनी चाहिए रादर देन लैंग्वेज। व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम प्लीज।
दैट्स द रीजन आप इसे हिंदी में भी रिलीज कर रहे हैं।
अरे सही है, ट्रांसलेट चलेगा, कन्नड़ में चलेगा।
खूबसूरत स्टोरी होती है, उसे ज्यादातर ऑडियंस तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, और सिर्फ लैंग्वेज की वजह से उसे नहीं पहुंचाना तो गलत होगा ना। तो सर, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, फीलिंग्स नीड्स टू रीच।
सर को ये सब्जेक्ट है ना 45, व्हाट इज द 45? ये सब्जेक्ट गरुड़ पुराण बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट है। सर को बहुत ये कंटेंट पे भरोसा था, ये मूवी बनाना है, आप सबको दिखाना है करके, उसलिए मूवी प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं सोलिस प्रोडक्शन से।
सर, एक वन क्वेश्चन, हाउ यू फील कमिंग टू मुंबई?
बहुत खुश हो गया मैं मुंबई का है को बहुत खुश हो गया। कितना आदमी को मैं देखा को फुल खुश, मीडिया आदमी को देखो फुल खुश है, फुल आदमी को फिल्म को देखना को तुम क्या रिजल्ट आपका बोलना सर। अच्छा कंटेंट है गरुड़ पुराण में, फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में फर्स्ट कंटेंट सर गरुड़ पुराण में को कर दिया। प्लीज वॉच टू थिएटर। थैंक यू।
Please guys, watch it in theater. Okay. So next, I would like Chania sir.
क्या
Hello sir, welcome. Sir, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, इस फिल्म में आपका ट्रिपल रोल है। ट्रिपल रोल ऑन कैमरा नहीं, ऑफ कैमरा।
Okay.
So you have directed the film, music भी दिया है आपने, you have co-written also. तो ये ट्रिपल रोल प्ले करते हुए आप कितने एक्साइटेड थे और ये कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा है?
It was very exciting actually. Namaste and happy new year to everyone. This film is a very different genre of film. So it says more about our Sanatana Dharma and more of Garuda Puran, and there is a lot of things which the youngsters can take and go while watching the film and in the theaters. So please do watch it and bless us.
That's amazing. So since it's your first debut film as a director, coming to Hindi belt, ये risk लेने का आपने कैसे सोचा और what is the idea behind it?
No, this is for everyone. This is not for, it doesn't have any language barriers. This is a very common thing which all human beings should understand and live like that. So there's no risk for me. Yeah.
That's great. So now, finally, put your hands together, sharing stage with all three of you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So just one question. The film is already making noises in Kannada film industry in South. What is your expectation from Hindi belt?
Just we should not expect anything. Just accept and go. Whatever they say. One saying is that we have to try, because good subjects should reach everywhere in India. That's what is our goal. So we have tried our best, and we have made one unique universe to this. Not exactly for South India or North India, it's for whole India actually. Not only India, the whole world can relate this subject actually. And life after death is a lovely imagination of a director. What will happen? And one layer of the subject will be going, another layer will be coming, where you can go into the world of 45. And what happens in the world of 45 is the film. Lovely subject, and myself, Rajbir Shetty and Upendra sharing the screen. And I come post-interval. After interval, till interval, Upendra and Rajbir Shetty. Rajbir Shetty will be throughout. He has got combination with me, Upendra, and finally we all three come together. Very interesting subject, because everybody's life, there will be a turning point actually. And everywhere it happens in every family, and everybody will be having an illusion actually. When anybody passes out, anybody who expires. For me, it's my experience in my life, my father, my brother, my mother. So this thing what will happen, suppose if that thing would have not happened, that illusion will be there, suddenly we wake up in the dreams. Here a lot of things are there where you can relate each other in this film. And a lot of emotions are there, and a lot of messages there where you can carry. Even now, it is not meant for only youngsters or any people from 4 years to age of 80, 90 years. They can watch the film, they can enjoy the film with entertainment, and a good message is there when they go out of.
That's great, sir. So you have played so versatile roles throughout your career. What is that advice or a tip you would like to give to the aspiring actors?
I think every actor is brilliant nowadays. They get inspired by many things actually nowadays. Be into yourself actually, because don't try to imitate others. Be yourself so that you can show your own style. Because being son of Rajkumar, I never wanted to imitate my father at all in my life, because I wanted my own style to be recognized actually. Otherwise I would have not been Shivraj Kumar now. Already 41st year, this is my 41st year in the film industry. Already 130 films I have done. Still people wants me to act. Many people wants me to direct youngsters like him. He is younger to me by about nearly he's around 40, 42, I am 63. So lot of age gap, but still, no, look-wise that's different, but thing is, this is the truth actually, I should say. And very, very blessed. And now I'm doing in Telugu, Tamil. And after Jailer, I think my, this one took another turn in my life. I think I can't forget that. And nowadays when I'm getting offer in Telugu also, in the Tamil also, Hindi not yet, and not tried at all. But still, if any good project comes, I will be there. Because one subject I was supposed to do, some of that not take up actually. But I'll be doing. But thing is, I would like to advise that you should be yourself, you should follow your own style, and wait. And don't get dejected or anything, this is not working out. It will work out someday, because for us, no, God is one. For God, there are crores of people who will be waiting for them. So everybody will be getting a chance. You'll come and meet everybody in life. That's what I feel.
That's such a beautiful advice. I'll also take it from you.
Thank you.
Lastly, just a small message or an appeal you would like to make to the Hindi audience, your Hindi fans.
No, I'm saying 100% if you come and watch, come into the world of 45, no, you'll 100% have entertainment, lot of emotional scenes are there where you can connect. And telling philosophy in an entertaining way, it's very different from here. And you can really come and watch, and there are a lot of things, then you can really go into the subject actually. And all the characters, they have done very well, Rajbir Shetty, and Upendra sir, myself, and mother character. Yeah, Kantara, she has done her mother as well. So that woman is there, and one more heroine, Kaustubh Mani. And the producer, Ramesh Reddy sir, I think he has showed faith on me and Arjun Janya. And I thank already the film is doing very well in Kannada. So I hope people will love to watch this film.
So, congratulations for getting blockbuster in South. Okay, last but not the least,
Thank you for coming and supporting our film. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like to say something about the film?
Yes, of course. मैं खुद एक शिव भक्त हूँ, भैरव भक्त हूँ। सो गूज़बम्स आए जब ये सॉन्ग देखा मैंने, जो हमने वापस वंस मोर प्ले किया। सो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से मैं टीम 45 को, हमारे प्रोड्यूसर जी, रेड्डी जी, अर्जुन जानिया जी, डायरेक्टर जी, एंड फेमस एंड लेजेंडरी एक्टर शिवा राजकुमार जी, इनको शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने इतनी हिम्मत और इतनी शिद्दत से सनातन धर्म को, हमारे ग्रंथों को, हमारे इतिहास को, हमारे पुराणों को इतने बड़े पर्दे पर लाने का काम किया। और मैं ऑडियंस से, मीडिया से ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि हमारे देश में ये फिल्म घर घर तक पहुँचनी चाहिए, और हर देश में मैं ये कामना करती हूँ कि हर देश में इस फिल्म को सक्सेस मिले, क्योंकि सनातन धर्म पूरी दुनिया में फेमस हो। है ही हमारा सनातन धर्म, बट पूरी दुनिया को पता चले हमारी परंपरा, हमारी संस्कृति। एंड वंस अगेन भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से मैं आपको वादा करती हूँ, सर को वादा करती हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र में कोई भी जरूरत पड़े इस फिल्म के लिए, मैं हमेशा सदैव आपके साथ हूँ।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you to all of you for being here, taking out time and giving your valuable thoughts. Also, आप सब मेरे मीडिया फ्रेंड्स को thank you हमें ज्वाइन करने और इस सेलिब्रेशन का पार्ट बनने के लिए। We hope, firstly congratulations, क्योंकि साउथ में ऑलरेडी ब्लॉकबस्टर हो गई है। हम चाहते हैं कि हिंदी बैले में भी उतनी ही ब्लॉकबस्टर बने सर, और आप बिल्कुल हिंदी सिनेमा में आए। So thank you so much. Thank you for everything.
Come every year you come to Bombay. How important is Bombay as a territory for Kannada films?
For me, I did my film called AK-47, 50th film of mine. I shot here for nearly about 2 months, 2.5 months I was here. And I shot many films, about 3-4 films I have done shooting here. And I came, my first film was my father's film shooting went here, Ravi Chandra. We were here for 10 days actually. So that was my first entry to Bombay actually. Otherwise, we keep coming often to Bombay.
How important is Mumbai as a territory for a film like this?
I think because it gives a bigger vision also. Where many people are there who can see and enter. Because nowadays after KGF and Kantara and Silsarchad, everybody is looking towards South. That after Rajmouli starts Bahubali and Chilla, because a lot of people are towards South films. So I feel this film will be because it's a universal thought. I think it will be better if people watches this film, and there are some good points and emotions so that people can carry out that emotion and message in their life.
And you mentioned that you want to do a lot of Hindi films. Anything specific you want to talk about working in Hindi cinema?
Not exactly, because I should get an offer which, if I want to do a Hindi film, it should be not usually a commercial film where I can come and show dance or fight. That's many heroes are there who's doing already. I want to show something else. They should feel tomorrow, they should watch, oh, this is Shivraj Kumar's cinema. They should feel like that.
What kind of cinema do you want to be part of?
It should be very different, where I can enter into the heart of the people. They should think this is a character. Because today, many people recognize me as Om Satya. Om is a film where, that was the Indian's first film where lot of re-release was there. Nearly about 500 to 600 times it was re-released. And we gave the satellites just about 7-8 years back. That film is already 30 years old. Even now people watches that. It should be a character like that where I can be enter into them. Even now today Karnataka, if I go anywhere in Karnataka, they say Satya. That Satya means truth. My name also is Satya. So like that, the character should be that they should remain like that. Or culturally, culturally they should see me for Indian culture. They should see me. They should recognize me as the Indian culture.
Rishabh and Yash have taken Kannada film to a next level. Where the world is open to Kannada films after that. What is your take on it and all these two boys, Rishabh and Yash?
I think they're very proud actually, very happy. If they would have not tried, KG would have not come here. Or Kantara would have not come here. They took up this one stand. That's what is guts. So even we have come with the same guts. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm very really proud of it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, my question to director. Sir, first of all, tell us about your experience and your challenges you faced during this film.
Hi, Happy New Year to you, and yeah, this is a very different experience because I as a music director worked there for 20 years and did more than 150 films here in Canada. So this is my debut as a director, and it is a great experience to work with legends like Shivana, Uppi sir and Rajbhi Shetty. And yeah, this is not a regular film, so I'm excited to present it to Mumbai, and just need your blessings.
हेलो निकिता, दिस इज विनय।
हाँ तो नाम हाँ क्वेश्चन पूछ।
आपने शुरुआत की थी एज एन एक्टर, 2 साल हो गए आपको पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन किए, तो ये जो आपने स्विच किया, अब नाउ यू आर द पॉलिटिशियन निकिता घाग, सो ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा, और एज अ लोगों की सेवा करते करते अपने प्रोफेशन को साथ में रखने का ये कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, और आपको कौन कौन सी डिफिकल्टीज फेस करनी होती है?
पॉलिटिक्स तो मुझे पहले से ज्वाइन करना था। एक्टिंग में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स अच्छे खासे चल जाने के बाद मैंने सोचा, जब मैं काम कर रही थी तब मैंने देखा कि क्रू मेंबर्स को, डायरेक्टर्स को, एक्टर्स को कितनी तकलीफ़ें झेलनी पड़ती है, डिले ऑफ पेमेंट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, मतलब मैं अभी नहीं बता सकती, बहुत तकलीफ़ें होती है। तो मैंने सोचा कि वाई शुड नॉट, मतलब मैं क्यों ना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से ही स्टार्ट करूं, इसीलिए मैंने बीजेपी में एंटर किया, जस्ट बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट एक्टर्स एंड क्रू मेंबर्स आर गोइंग थ्रू। तो उनको इंसाफ दिलाने के लिए, उनकी सारी दिक्कतें दूर करने के लिए मैंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने का निर्णय लिया। बट शिव जी की कृपा से, भगवान की कृपा से अब सिर्फ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री नहीं तो एयरपोर्ट्स, होटल इंडस्ट्री एंड महाराष्ट्र की सारी कंपनीज, फैक्ट्रीज की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझे मिली है, और ये सब के अंडर में काम कर रही हूँ। तो मैं खुश हूँ जो स्विच मैंने किया। काफ़ी तकलीफ़ें हुई, काफ़ी ट्रोल हुई, बट यस आई एम हैप्पी नाउ।
बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने से पहले, जैसे एज एन एक्टर आपने बीजेपी के सारे पॉलिटिशियन को देखा होगा, उनसे मिली होगी, तो आप किसको फॉलो करती थी, आपका फ्लो क्या था बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने से पहले, आपका कोई आइडिया था उसमें?
हमारे सीएम देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, वो पहले से ही मेरे आइडल रहे हैं, और भगवान की कृपा से अब उनका हाथ सर पर है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है।
Shivana, this is Surya here from Bollywood Crazies. I'm here sitting, sir. Of course, we have seen a lot of films of yours in the past. It's great that Kannada cinema brings something new, refreshing every new year, every year. And this is the debut film of Arjun Janya, sir. Tell us about Shivana, sir. Your process of selecting a role and then getting into the character of any particular role. As you earlier said that you take time to choose some different script. There is something to the fans in Mumbai that what is the process of yours selecting a film? Because as we have seen few of the glimpses, the movie is also doing good. Tell us about the process, I think.
Actually, this film, no, that is the way I am. Actually, the way I behave in this film, no, that's the way I am in my life also. I might dress up well and I might wear costly jeans, but still I'm very simple in heart, always. Because I like dressing, wearing jeans and expensive jeans. But apart from that, there's one thing called humanity. I'm always very pure in my heart. I'm very frank. I talk with everybody. There's no partialities. I should talk with them or the other. The same characters. This one, what I played, Shivappa. I play Shiva. So this character is almost me. I can say. I can relate to myself from my younger age, how I was. The same character I played here. And usually I'll be always jovial in my life. You also know the way I behaved with Rajbhi Shetty or Upendra. Sometimes roughness also, there's a love in that. Whatever he speaks, there's a love in this film. That's the way I am. That's my character, I can say. And whichever character I just prefer to do, if it goes to my heart, I'll really do. Otherwise, sometimes sometimes directors get a good script. Sometimes while making it goes ulta pada, then I can't help it what to do. I have to finish it because of my producer. So I should see there also like that. So it happens.
Shivana, sir, you have I think n number of films in your career. Tell us about the upcoming projects if you want to speak something to the media of Mumbai.
Now I'm one film called Dad. Dad is I'm doing one film called Dad because I love my dad. This is the caption. I love my dad. I'm glad I'm dad. And one more film is in Telugu with Ram Charan. I'm doing Pedi. I'm doing a special role in that film, and it's a very beautiful role. And one more film in Telugu I'm doing as a main lead called Gummadi Narsaya. It's based on a biopic. It's based on a real person's life, and there's a lovely script. Why I loved entering the script is because I always, whenever I see Gummadi Narsaya, I see my father in it, because my father used to live for others, the same character he has got. So I was very touched by this role. I'm very happy that I'm doing that. First time as a lead in Telugu I'm doing. And Jailer 2 is almost done. Almost 3-4 days are there. And one more project I'm starting, my home production, Geetha Pictures. A for Anand. It's called as A for Anand. And one film called Bail. B-A-I-L.
Janay sir, this is a debut film, as you also say, as I also know. आपने इतनी सारी फिल्मों में म्यूजिक दिया है. What comes in your mind that you have started a film and made a film, such a beautiful film in the first attempt? What is that small short में कहेंगे आपका?
This was a very different story which I just wrote as a story and a script. I just wanted to give it to Shivana and wanted others to direct the film. So, but Shivana listened to my story and he said, the way you're narrating the film, I think you have to direct. So, from the music director, Shivana made me a director.
मैम मेरा नाम किशन है और मेरा सवाल आपसे है. रिसेंटली बीजेपी लगातार की बात करें तो हाल ही में एक लीडर ने शाहरुख सर को टारगेट किया. उन्होंने कहा कि शाहरुख खान इज एंटी नेशनल. आप क्या बिलीव करते हैं? आप एक्टर भी है, सिनेमा से है, शाहरुख खान को एंटी नेशनल बोलना, अगर कुछ मतभेद हो सकते आप उन्हें लेटर लिख सकते थे, लेकिन एंटी नेशनल बोलना क्या ये सही है? व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
शाहरुख जी बहुत ही बड़े मतलब लेजेंडरी एक्टर है. एंड जो भी वाद विवाद चल रहे हैं, अब फिलहाल इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं, तो हम इस बारे में ना ही बात करें तो बेहतर होगा.
सर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सर एंड कंग्रेचुलेसन, इतनी अच्छी मूवी लेके आया. मैम मुझे आपसे एक सवाल है मैम आपसे एक सवाल है मुझे कि बीजेपी के हो या कांग्रेस के हो, बहुत सारे एक्टर जो है बॉलीवुड में भी काम कर रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल साथ साथ. आपको अगर मौका मिला जसवीप जी के साथ काम करोगे या किस तरह का आप स्टोरी देख रहे हो आप खुद को दोबारा लॉन्च करने के लिए, पर बताएंगे आप?
ज़रूर.
यस.
मैं पहले का एक्टर थी और अंदर का एक्टर कभी नहीं मर सकता. नेता और अभिनेता ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. तो यस, आई एम हिज बिग फैन. अगर चांस मिला तो ज़रूर करूँगी. वापस पर्दे पर आना चाहूँगी, कभी ना करूँ.
सिर्फ सर आपको कंग्रेचुलेसन, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. ट्रेलर देखा हमने, मजा किया. पर हम जानना चाहते हैं कि पिक्चर रिलीज हो चुका है, हम इतने देर क्यों किए बम्बई में आने में? क्योंकि आपका फैंस बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी सारे बॉलीवुड में है, आपका फैंस है, हम खुद आपका फैंस है, आपके पिक्चर हम देखा करते हैं. आज आए हैं, हम भी देखने बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट थे, पर लेट आए पर स्वस्थ आए, अच्छे आए. तो नेक्स्ट अगर बॉलीवुड करना चाहते हैं तो बॉलीवुड में किसके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, आप करना चाहते हैं?
Actually, I don't know. I don't want to select anybody. If anybody comes good on my way, he might be a newcomer or I think a recognized director, anybody. But I don't mind doing with a newcomer also. If the project is good or if it touches my heart, ज़रूर काम करता हूँ.
Shivra sir, you have been in the industry for so many years now. To your review, you have been in the industry for a long time now. आप क्या changes देखते हैं Indian cinema में? You know how it is evolving day by day, and in Hindi circuit also we can see that South cinema, be it Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, whatever, they are taking over a little bit on the Indian cinema as compared to the content that South industry is providing. क्या आप इत्तेफाक रखते हैं इस बात से?
I think technically they have become brilliant, but because most of the South film, not only from now, from the previous days also, when Shivaji Ganesan sir, J.R. sir, Rajkumar sir, then Chiranjeevi sir, from those periods itself, that subjects were very good actually. Subjects were very good, and that very emotional scripts, and it was very natural. So even now anybody can make. A lot of films are there where they have remade it in Hindi. So I think basically this has gone one step ahead because of the technical facilities. But those time now that facility was not there. But this now the facility is there. What cinema they made that time? Now they took about 50 or 60 days. Now the same that cinema nowadays they take about 200 days, 300 days. Sometimes even now, we took 100 days actually. I know one film I'm doing now, what is it, Dad, one film. I think it'll come in all languages, but we took only 35 days, that's why. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes the script is so good, so pakka that it'll depend. Because South Indian people are like that they work on the script more.
We want to see more of South cinema into Hindi film industry, you know. But do you feel that the language sometimes becomes a barrier? Yeah, Hindi seekhna, yeah, even for Tamil or Telugu, whatever language it is. Do you think?
Not at all. Nothing else. Because nowadays they say they do it in Kannada and then they dub. Nowadays, at least 3 languages we have to do. Tamil, Kannada and Hindi we have to do. Because closest easily we can make it out. Whatever AI is there, easily they'll make it out that lip sync will be out. But now for us, now we take it, that we have done all the languages now.
So one last question from my end. We have seen, this is a multi-star film, there are many actors in the film. Being an actor yourself and being so veteran actor, do you feel that the stars become a little bit, cautious when it comes to multi-star cast? We have seen Dhurandhar in Hindi cinema. I don't know if you have seen the film.
Yeah, I've seen.
So how was the film? Please tell us first.
Fantastic, very nice. The emotions was very good, the making was very good, and performances especially was very good.
Any specific performance that you enjoyed the more? Because we have seen Akshay Khanna performing so well, I mean more than
Akshay Khanna I liked, but Ranveer Singh I liked well. I think it was amazing. So beautifully he performed.
Okay.
The subtlety was very good because his role demands that subtlety, At least Akshay Khanna's role is there where he can do whatever he wants. That liberty was there. But Ranveer Singh's role is not very easy to do that. It's very good. Subtly he had done it very brilliantly well.
So what are your thoughts on the multi-star cast, when come to a single movie?
No, it's good actually. No, actually we should bother about our roles and we should not just ask why that one, why this one. We should just go on, believe the director. I believe my director, I trust him. I trust myself first. No, I don't know botheration. Because a multi-star cinema is necessary now.
Thank you.
लास्टली सर रमेश सर आपसे एक सवाल पूछना मुझे इंग्लिश चलेगा मुझे पिक्चर का नाम 45 है तो गुड हमारे पिक्चर स्टोरी है सनातन शिव जी के ऊपर है 45 भी क्यों रख हम शिव के ऊपर भी कुछ रख सकते थे माँ को भी रख सकते क्यों 45 भी क्यों
45 डेज को गरुड़ पुराण में एक आत्मा मेरे आत्मा को क्या क्या करना कोई पूजा करना क्या करना कोई 45 डेज को ये सब्जेक्ट है
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर आपसे है आफ्टर दैट वी विल रैप दिस अप बच्चन साहब के साथ आई जस्ट कम टू नो दैट यू हैड अ वेरी long friendship with sir and you always wanted to be a part of cinema with him or he want to work with you, anything that way you want to be around?
Actually we have been together in Kalyan Jewellers, so we have a lot of shoots we have done together. So now we have not thought of any this one because I don't want to take unnecessary advantage just because I know him very well. I have been very close with my family, so any good project comes, really I would love to work with him or we would love to call him to Kannada also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.